Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get started using a software named Pictoblox. Your first step is to search up Pictoblox in Google Chrome. Next, look for the link that says Pictoblox, Learn Coding and Program Robots Online, and click that link. Afterwards, please wait for the site to load. You will then get this prompt. Once you see this prompt, please click on Block Coding to begin. You can skip the following tutorial as I will demonstrate the basics in this video. For our first step, we are introduced to the stage. The stage is the white outline that is around the bear. The bear is also known as a sprite, which is a character object that performs anything that you program it to do. The blue puzzle piece-shaped objects are known as blocks. Blocks are what you will be using to code. In between the stage and the blocks, there is a white area, also known as a scripting area, where we can create a program for anything. We will now create a script that will guide the sprite across the stage. Drag a glide block onto the scripting area. These multicolored dots represent different palettes. Palettes are collections of blocks that perform similar functions as motion. The next block we are going to use belongs to the events palette. The events palette only contains blocks that can only be used when an event is fired. Once you're done, you can click the maximize button to zoom in and test your script. And now whenever you click the sprite, it will glide towards a random part of the screen.